Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian. And today I'm going to have another look at this Fake Makita Impact driver, which I reviewed previously. I'll put a link just here where I unboxed this and showed you this for the first time. I can't quite remember whether I explained what happened to this, but effectively, since I got it, it's just never been used. And the main reason, and the only reason for that, is that the retracting chuck part here, the ball bearing fell out of it, and so therefore it doesn't hold on to any bits, which is a little bit annoying. So what I had thought about doing is actually gluing this piece in, and so I was looking for some nice high quality bit holders where I could do that, like a Wera or something of that nature. Anyway, long story short, I didn't do it. So I was just watching on Instagram where someone was showing how to change these out, and lo and behold, from AliExpress I've bought a pack of 2, which I'm hoping are going to fit. I mean, that looks remarkably the same, and you swap out the whole unit. What I've been looking at is, well, maybe I can service this, take the circlip out, and find the ball bearing, pop it back in, and but for, I think these are £1 something each. You can just get a whole replacement hammer part, which seems like a good idea. And if you really want to, you can buy 2, and you can get one that's got a socket driver on it. I don't see a ball bearing in there, but okay. That happens with a hex head part in it. I don't think it latches, but let's see. It doesn't. But it's got a strong magnet in it by the feel of it. So reasonable, okay. I'm now going to show you how quick it is to swap these out. So we're going to use just this Bosch. For me, I found this very difficult, and I think I've seen other people try and take these apart. This rubber part, which is supposed to be aluminous, but I don't think it is, just pops out. And then this plastic part that covers the front part, I had to break it to get it off. I just split it at the bottom. I sort of levered it with a screwdriver, and eventually it came off. That didn't want to come off. Now we're faced with 4 screws, which we're just going to whiz out. Right, off comes the top, out comes the old one, in goes the new one, back on, the irony of that, back on with those, not being particularly nice to those screws, because not only am I using the wrong bit, but I'm overdriving them. There we go. Back on with the plastic cover, back on with the rubber one. Done. Right, let's just check to see that it holds. I'm going to have to... Yes, it does. There we go. One fixed impact driver in no times flat. So I'm going to use this a little bit more now that it's fixed, and see how we get on. So, as always, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe.